In the first 24 hours on OnlyFans, I made 20 grand. Going from like average paying jobs to overnight making all of this money, that's so fun for any 22-year-old.
When was the moment when you thought, oh my God, I have a shitload of money?
24 hours. Yeah, in the first 24 hours on OnlyFans, I made 20 grand. So that was like straight away.
I mean, you're never going back.
Yeah, that was it. Like, and I kind of was able to like do all these things and buy all these things that I could only dream of buying before. So that element was really fun.
Okay. What kind of content are you making? What does a girl who's 22 have to do in a very competitive industry, as we know? What do you have to do to make that kind of money?
First 24 hours, not really much. Like I had lingerie, kind of a little strip tease, like that's basically it really.
Would you do full nudity?
Not in the first 24 hours.
Okay.
No.
Okay.